Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make our Facebook account private. And if you watch this video up to the end, I'm going to teach you a quick and simple way on how to make our account private. And all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application. Then we're going to tap on the three lines, which is located here at the top right corner. And from there, we're going to tap on settings and privacy. Then we're going to tap on settings. And from here, we are going to scroll down. And here we're going to tap on followers and public content. Then we are going to scroll down until we see who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. And we are going to switch to only me. Then we are going to change even who can see followers on what time, and then we're gonna set it to only me. And once you have checked on those settings, if anybody decided to search for us, nobody will be able to find us. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.